So children, long division method, second video. So long division method, second video. Yesterday we have done first video. Today second video. All the sums will be there in the link in the description. In the description there is a link. Try to do all the sums. Okay. Now going to ninth sum is over. 10th sum, children. Okay. So ninth sum is over. Now we are going to do 10th sum. All of you get ready. 10th sum I'm saying. All of you please see here. 10th sum. Please check. First sum I will do. Remaining you should tell, children. X square minus 2. You should divide x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, first division I'm showing. Next I will ask you. First this with this I told you many times. X cube by x square. If this comes up, 3 minus 2 how much? 1. So x into x square, x cube. X into 2 minus 2x. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, please try to understand. This is minus, this is plus, this is gone. Minus 3x square will come plus 7x. Now this with this again. Minus 3x square by x square. Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3 into x square. Minus 3x square, children. Minus into minus plus. Bring minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, children. Put plus 6 under this because x term is not there. So you should put the here. Plus minus. This is gone, children. 7x comes as it is. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. This is a reminder. One sum verification I am showing, remaining sums verification you practice, but in the exam, when I give the questions with verifications, you should do the sum, children. Each question carry 5 marks. This is 3 marks and verification 2 marks, remember. So A is equal to BQ plus R. One sum verification I am showing, remaining I can't show. Or else maximum 2, 3 I will show, children. That's all. What is A, children? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. What is B, children? X square minus 2. What is Q? X minus 3. What is remainder? 7x minus 9. If you multiply and add this, you should get this one. Okay, dividend. So children, x square into x how much? X cube. X square into 3 minus 3x square. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 plus 7x minus 9. Okay, x cube minus 3x square. This is how much, children? Plus 5x. 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 9. Okay, same answer you got. Please check, children, like that you should do. Hope you copy. You are all are copying, children. If you didn't copy anything, if you didn't copy, you have to see the video and you have to pause the video and you have to check the sum. Okay, that is the procedure. Next, 11th sum, children. 11th sum. One by one, I will be asking. You have to say. Get ready, all of you. First sum we will start with Vedant. Vedant, 11th sum. Get ready.
Yes, sir.
When you are seeing the video, pause that video and check the solution and try to practice for the exam. 11th sum, please check here, all of you. We are dividing with x square minus x plus 1. You have to rearrange the terms. X should come first. Okay. Now x4 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. This is the question. Okay, children. Tell Vedant how to start.
Sir, first we will have
Modification.
Sir, first we will have
I'm asking, they should only say x4 by x square. How much? Acha, modification. Modification. 0x.
Sir, we have to add 0x cube.
Okay, 0x cube modification. Fantastic. Nana. Compulsory modification we should do. Okay. So after modification, what is the term is going to come? Minus 3x square.
Minus 3x square.
Now tell
x4 by x square is x square, sir.
X square. Put here x square. Multiply with x square into x square.
We get x4 minus x cube plus x square.
Minus x cube plus x.
Plus x square. Now we'll change the sign, sir. Plus x4 will become minus x4, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. That is cut. And then we have x cube and we have minus 2x square.
No, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4x square.
Minus 4 sir.
Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4x square plus 5x. No,
plus
again,
5x
divide this with this. X cube by x square. How much is the answer?
X, sir. X.
X. Put here x, children. X into x square.
X cube minus x square plus x.
Plus x. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is gone. Now tell me. Minus 3x square.
We have minus 3x square and 0, nothing there. Minus 3.
So this by this how much? Minus 3x square by x square. How much?
Minus 3.
Put minus 3 here. What do you get?
minus 3x square plus 3x plus
minus
3
3x square minus 3 minus x is plus 3x minus
3x
minus 3. Okay,
minus.
plus minus plus gone.
Full change, full cut, sir.
1x is the answer. Okay, children. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you just tell me? I won't do verification. Just tell me verification. What is the formula? X square minus x plus 1 is equal to. Sorry.
Sir, x4 plus 0x cube
x4
is
minus
equal to
3x
x
square
square
plus
minus x plus 1 into x square plus
this
x minus 3 plus 1x.
x square minus x plus
Minus x
1
plus
into
1
x
into
square.
x square plus x minus 3 plus 1x.
A is equal to B Q plus R. You should do verification, children. Without verification, I won't give full marks in the Sunday test. 3 marks for solvation and 2 marks for verification. Compulsory. Among these 19 sums only, I will give any 5 sums. Practice this 19 sums perfectly, children. Among this 19 sums only, I will give. Practice them perfectly. Maximum, I may add 3-4 questions extra. That's all. But among this 19 only, I will give. Okay. Next, Pravalika, 12th sum. Get ready, Amma.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone copying, children. You should copy. If you are not copying, at least pause the video and see it. When you are seeing the video, please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Okay? Here is the question. 2 minus x square. So you should write minus x square plus 2, children. Children, they gave 2 minus x square. You can't take 2 minus x square. Minus x square plus 2. Okay? And tell me, Amma, x4 is there. Minus 5x plus 6. Any rearrangement is needed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Tell me rearrangement, Nana.
x4 plus 0 x cube plus 0x square.
Very good, Shabash. x4 by minus x square.
Minus x square.
Very good. So 4 minus 2 is 2 minus x square. Put here minus x square. Minus x square minus x square. x4. Minus x square plus 2.
2 minus 2x square.
Minus plus gone. 2x square will come. Minus 5x plus x.
5x plus
2x square by minus x square.
minus 2.
Minus 2 put here, Amma. If you put minus 2 there, minus 2 into minus x square.
Minus 4.
Minus into minus plus 2x square.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 plus 2.
Minus 4.
Okay, this is minus, this is plus. Gone. Minus 5x plus 10 is the answer.
Plus.
Can you tell me the verification? Just verification.
Yes, sir.
x4
x4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to minus x square plus 2 into minus x square minus 2 plus minus 5x plus 10.
That's all. This is B, this is Q, this is plus R. A is equal to B is what? B is divisor, quotient, remainder. This is dividend. Okay. Next, Nandika, 13th sum. Get ready. I hope everyone are copying. If you are not copying, pause the video later. When you are getting the video, pause the video and check the answers. Yeah, Nandika, which sum, Amma? 13th, huh? 13th sum. Yeah, x square plus 3x plus 1. You are dividing what, Amma? 3x4 plus 5x3 minus 7x2 plus 2x plus 2. Yes, ma, tell.
Yes, sir. So no modifications required.
Fantastic.
3x square, 3x to the power 4 by x square is equal to 3x square.
Yeah, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay.
3x, okay, sir.
Now what you do? Put here 3x square.
3x square into x square.
Is how much?
3x 4 x
3x
to the
square
power
into
4.
3x.
Sir, 3x cube.
3x square into 1.
Sir, 3x square.
Minus 4x cube
Yes.
minus 10x square plus 2x. So this by this.
Sir, minus 4x cube by x square is minus 4x.
So put minus 4x here.
So minus 4x into x square is minus 4x square.
Minus 4x into plus 3x.
Minus 6. Sir, it is 12 minus x square and plus minus 4x into 4 minus 4x only, sir.
Change the
Change
signs.
the signs.
2x square plus 6x
Plus
to
6x.
this by
Okay, sir.
this.
Sir, it is 2.
Okay, plus 2.
And 2, okay, sir. Yes,
into
2
x
into
square.
x square is 2x. 2
Where?
into 3x is 6x.
2 into 1.
2 into 1 is 2.
Okay, so minus minus minus. What you are
Cancel.
getting? 0. From this, what we can infer? This is the factor of this because you are getting 0 remainder. No? This is the factor of this. Means this is divisible. This is divisible by this. Okay, just to do verification.
Yes, sir. So 3x square plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1 into x 3x square minus 4x plus 2 plus
0. 0 plus 0. A is equal to V Q plus R. A is equal to V Q plus R. Okay. After this, next, according to roll number, who will come next according to roll number?
Now, can you wait for a second? I did not copy it.
Here you see video 5-6 times. My views will increase. Satvik,
Yes, sir.
get ready, ma. Nalika, I'm rubbing.
Okay, sir, you can rub.
Okay, 14 sum. Satvik, ready, amma? 14 sum.
Yes, sir.
Wow, superb sum. X plus 2 into x to the power of 4 minus 16. Do you need any modifications, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Plus 0x square, 0x power 3 minus plus 0x square plus 0x.
Tell me. X4 by x.
x4 by x, x power 3, sir. x power 4 into 2x square, 2x power 3.
Minus
Cancel.
2x3 plus 0x square. This by this how much? Minus 2x cube by x is how much?
2x square, sir.
Minus 2x.
2x.
Minus 2x square into x is how much? Minus 2x square
into x minus 2x 4x square, sir.
Okay.
Cancel.
This by this
Zero.
is how much? Minus 4x square by x is how much? Minus 4.
2 to the 4 minus 4x, sir.
Minus 4x into x.
Minus 4x square, sir.
This
Plus
into this.
minus 8x, sir. Cancel.
This is gone. 8x minus 16. This is the final. No, this is not final. This is not final. 8x by x will go, no? 8x
Yes,
by
sir.
x is 8.
8
Put 8 and tell me.
plus 8,
8x
8x minus 16 plus
plus
16.
6 plus 16. Minus minus. So answer is minus 32. Okay, Nana?
Yes.
Can you tell the verification formula? Verification formula. X to the power of 4 minus 16 is equal to this into this.
X plus 2 into x square, x to the power 3 minus 2x square minus 4x plus 8.
Plus of minus 32. Plus of minus 32.
Minus 32.
Of minus 32. Okay, next Harsha. 15 sum.
Sir, plus 8x minus 16, that's plus 4 quotient law.
Huh? What, ma? What is
Sir,
your
quotient law plus 4 sir.
question law? Plus 4. Why plus 4? What is your problem? I didn't understand. Okay, later we will discuss. First, you tell. Anything wrong we did? No, we didn't do any wrong. Everything is correct. Shall I show if you want? Shall I show verification? I'll show verification. See here, I'll show you verification. See here. So x into x cube, x to the power of 4. X into minus 2x square, minus 2x cube. x into minus 4x square. X into plus 8 8x. Now again 2 into x cube 2x cube. One second. 2 into x cube 2x cube. Okay. Now 2 into minus 2x square minus 4x square. 2 into minus 4 minus 8x. Okay. 2 into plus 8 plus 16 minus 32. Now check. Minus 2x cube plus 2x cube minus 4x square.
సార్ సార్ అక్కడ -2x² అని కాదు సార్. సారీ -4x సార్. సార్ x into -4x -4x² సార్. మీరు +x4 రాశారు.
ఇక్కడ okay. This gone. See answer. x4 16 minus 32 is minus 16. We got the answer. See correct answer. Okay, children, go to 15 sum. Harsha, 15 sum. All of you please copy on Nana. You have to do verification. Without verification, I won't give marks. Sunday exam. Among this 19 sums only will come. Practice this 19 sums perfectly. Okay. 15th question. Yes, Harsha. 15th question. Z square plus 2. And we are going to divide with Z4, Z3, 3Z square, 2Z2. Yeah. Harsha. Z4 by Z square, how much?
Sir, Z square, sir.
Z square into Z square.
Sir, Z to the power of 4, sir.
Z square into 2.
Sir, 2Z square, sir.
Okay, minus.
Sir, the cancel అయిపోతాయి, sir. 1x square, sir.
Okay, now minus Z cube by Z square, how much?
Minus Z, sir.
Minus Z. So if I keep minus Z there, what happens? See here. I'm keeping minus Z here. What happens? Minus Z into Z square.
Minus Z cube, sir.
Minus Z into plus 2.
Sir, minus 2Z, sir.
So put this 2Z here and minus 2Z here you put, children. Okay, this is plus, gone. Z square is plus 2. Z square by Z square.
Sir, plus 1, sir.
So 1 into Z square.
Sir, Z square plus
1
2,
into
sir.
2 plus 2. This is minus gone. 0. Tell me verification.
Sir, x square plus 2 into x square minus 2 plus 1 is equal to plus 0 is equal to z to the power of 4 minus 2 z to the power of 3 plus 3z square minus 2z plus 2, sir.
So this is A, children. This is B. This is Q plus R. This is divisor. This is quotient. This is remainder. Okay. Next, according to the roll number, Suju. Hope everyone are copying, children. Hope everyone are copying. Please keep copying. Don't waste time. Suju, which number you have got? 16 sum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 16 sum.
Sir, x minus 3
X minus 3.
divided by x cube minus 4x square minus 3x plus 5.
Yes, x cube by x is how much, Nana? X square. 3 minus 1, 2. X square. X square into x how much? X cube. X square into minus 3. You are not telling.
Sir, can I continue?
Raghuram, tell Raghuram, you continue. Minus plus.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Sir?
x square by x.
Minus x square by x, 1x, sir.
Minus 1x.
Yes.
Minus x. Minus x into x.
Minus x square, sir.
Minus into minus. Plus 3x.
Plus, sir.
Minus 6x plus 5. Minus 6x by x is how much?
Sir, minus 6, sir.
Minus 6 into x.
Minus 6 into x minus 6x, sir.
So minus
Minus 13, sir.
minus 13 is the answer. Okay, children. Next, according to roll number, Ashrayat. Ashrayat is there or sleeping? Ashrayat. Ashrit is not
Sir,
there.
can I say again?
No. Anum, next Anum.
Yes, sir.
Anum, which sum you got? 17.
17. Yeah, sir.
You tell 17 sum 2p plus 1 into 4p cube minus 12p square minus 37p minus 15. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, 4p cube by 2p first.
How much?
Sir, it's 2p square.
Okay.
And 2p square. Yeah, 2p square into. Yeah, 4p cube. 2p square into 1 is 2p square.
Okay. कितना होता minus 10p square minus 37. This by this how much?
Sir, it's 5p.
Minus 5p.
5p.
Yeah, tell me minus 5p into plus 10.
10p square.
Minus into plus minus
Minus 5p.
minus 32p minus 15. How much is minus 32p by 2p?
Sir, it's still
Minus 16.
minus 16.
Minus 16
Minus
into 2 कितना?
into minus
32p
32p.
plus 16. This
Plus
is plus, this is
16.
minus.
But cancel.
Okay, tell me the verification code. Verification 4p cube
4p cube minus 12p square minus 37p minus 15 is equal to 2p plus 1 into 2p square minus 8p minus 16 plus minus 31.
minus 31, 17. Okay,
Sir,
next.
sir, here minus 12p square minus 2p square is minus 14 square, no, sir?
Yeah, no one is saying then. No one is saying children, it is minus 14 square. This is minus 14 square. You should tell no, Nana. If we are doing any mistake, you should tell. Sometimes I'll be doing mistake. You should tell after the mistake for the sum you're telling. Okay. So this is minus 14p square minus 37p minus 14p square by minus 14p square by 2p is how much children? Minus 7p. Minus 7p into this is minus 14p square and minus 7p plus 1 minus 7p. This is plus, this is plus, this is gone. Minus 30p minus 15 minus 30p by 2p children. P cancel minus 15. Here minus 15 to minus 30p minus 50. This is plus, gone 1 0. So what is the verification children? This is equal to this into this plus this. Okay. Next Rishikesh 18 sum.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you?
No. Who is that? Can I? Ashrit, you are there or not?
Sir, I'm there.
Then why you are not answering when I was asking question?
Sir, I was having internet issues, sir.
Okay. Rishikesh, tell him.
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 cube by 4 cube is equals to 2q square. 2q square.
2q square. 2q
Yes, sir.
square.
2q square into minus 1 minus 2q square, which in turns becomes plus 2q square.
Yeah, just say what is happens. Don't say it turns. Minus plus. This is gone. Now you tell me here what is the answer.
Minus 4q square minus 4q.
This by this you tell them minus 4q square by 2q how much?
Minus 2q.
Minus 2q because 2 2s and q2 minus 1. Minus 2q into 2q is how much?
Minus 4q square plus 2q. It becomes minus 6q square plus 3. Then minus 3 6q by 2q minus 3.
Minus 3 into 2q. Minus 6q.
Minus 6q plus 3. It becomes minus 0.
Tell me the verification. This is equal to
2q 2q minus 1 into 2q square minus 2q minus 3 plus 0.
The B Q plus R. Okay, that is equal to your answer. Next, according to the according to next one, Kushal will come. Kushal,
Yes, sir.
19th sir. Kushal, 19th sum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 5x plus 2 we are dividing with what, ma? We are dividing with 20x square minus 32x minus 16. Yeah, tell them, ma.
So 20x square by 5x is equals to 4x.
4x, because this is 1 and this is 4, right? 4x into 5x,
20x square
4x into 2
minus 8x
plus 8x. This is 1 minus. Now, minus 40x minus 60.
minus 16
Minus 40x by 5x, how much?
minus 8, sir.
Okay, so what happens? Minus 8 into 5x,
Minus 40x, sir.
minus 8 plus 2.
16, sir.
So what
Minus
you'll get? 0. Verification. 20x square minus 32x minus 16 is equal to. Tell me. Verification.
5x plus 2 into 4x minus 8 plus 0.
4x minus 8 plus 0. This is A, children. This is B, Q plus R. We should not write like this only. We should solve and show. How to solve? I'm showing last term. No, that's why I'm showing how to solve again. I'm showing C. 5 into 4, 20x square. 5x into minus 8, minus 40x. 2 into 4 plus 8x. 2 into minus 8, minus 16. Please mute your audios. 20x square. Minus, mute your audio. Mute your audios million times I told. So children, 1 second, mute your audio. Okay, now children, all the sums are over. 19 sums. Among this 19 sums, only any 5 sums I will give for test Sunday.